What's going on, everybody? This your boy Anthony.
And I'm Leah.
And we're the Feimsters. Check it out, man. This is our second video because it turned out...
It's not working. All right, let's do it again.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? This your boy Anthony.
And I'm Leah. And we're the Feimsters. This is our second video. Mm-hmm. We posted our first YouTube video together as a couple about our journey to building yesterday on Sunday. And it has already hit, like, what?
It's almost at 10,000 views.
So, I guess we have to keep going.
Yeah,
I guess we're accountable now.
If we had $1 for every view that we had, I mean, we'd be pretty set.
We'd be pretty close. But let's not go into that yet.
Okay.
In today's video, we're going to be talking to you about what type of home we're building and why. And will our marriage sustain the build? Interesting.
That's interesting.
Thumbnail. Okay. Okay, so when we got together, we were going through different options on what type of home that we wanted to build. And we were looking at HGTV because we both really love HGTV. If anybody watches HGTV and they automatically don't want a house on there, you're watching it wrong.
If HGTV is watching this video and you feel the need to help us,
young black couple.
See, I'm all about the money.
That's what I'm saying. Young black couple in Genesee County.
First wants to do it.
Building a house with no income.
Man, come on now.
Okay.
We're going to start with, of course, an all-black steel frame shipping container home. As far as the outer corpse, the outer body, as far as the outer parts of the shipping container, we want to, like I said, go with an all black matte finish with like these wood elements where it's like, okay, you got wood pillars, you got wood framing, or maybe on the outside of the windows or whatever it may be. But the overall goal is to stack, is it 5? 5 shipping containers. Okay, so each container is 8 by 40 feet, which is 320 square feet. And where we live, we have to have a minimum of 1,250 square feet to build. So we said, at first we was going for one at a time. And it was like, nah, you got to have at least a minimum of 1,250 square feet. So we was like, it was motivating. And at the same time, it was like, wait, what? This is our property. Like, how are we going to do this? And who are you to tell us what we can build on?
Exactly.
But, I mean, rules are rules, laws are laws, right? So we have to build a minimum, if we're doing it in this manner, we have to build a minimum of 5. 1,500. No, 5 would be 1,500 square feet, right?
Here we go with the math of the video. 320 square feet times 5 is...
You tell us in the comments.
I don't know.
36912.
36912. Okay.
20, 40, 60, 80. That's 1280. Right?
And we made it, right?
Yeah, 1280. Right, with the 369. Well, that's 4. But I think we went ahead and added the extra for some other things as it relates to.
So we're going to build what, 1,500?
1,500 square feet, I believe. Yep, 1280 plus 320 equals 1,500. You watching, you know the math. So the main reasoning for that, you want to kind of dive into like the insides of, because we're creatives and we need creative space, right?
Right. So with containers, you can essentially add or subtract as your lifestyle changes. And so at first when we were going to do one container, we thought like, okay, one container, we can live in 320 square feet easily. I mean, we're living in literally less that almost now. So we can do it. And so when they gave us the requirement to expand, then I think it made our minds like blow up because we were like,
oh yeah,
we're going to be able to put everything in this house. So what we're going to do is build a shipping container home. And if you don't know what a shipping container is, it's almost like those cargos that you see on the boats on how they like ship off different type of materials. We're going to be living inside those things.
Yeah.
And so with 5 of them together, it's going to be 1,500 square feet. And we decided to go this route, which is more eco-friendly, to use materials that's already here on the planet instead of trying to like cut down more trees and use wood. Yeah. We decided to do a shipping container home because it's better on the environment. And 2, because if you haven't paid attention, lumber and wood is very expensive.
Yeah.
Like, we're cutting half the cost of what it would cost to build a traditional home by building a shipping container home.
Right.
People keep saying that we're going to live in a trash can. That's not what it is. And essentially,
who told you that?
My mom.
Mama.
Black moms are the absolute best.
The only difference between these two homes, between the traditional home and the steel frame home, is the outer framing.
Yeah.
Because the way that they're installated and everything is completely the same. So that's one of the main things. So
I think that the biggest part of this journey about building a shipping container home is really like our family, because I don't think they still understand it yet. And, you know, when you do something different and, you know, out of the box, it's like it takes a lot more conversation and it takes a lot more research and more work for people to really believe in you. So if I haven't said it already, thank y'all for watching, because it's like you guys believe in us more than people that know us believe in us. You know what I mean? We're really trying to do this the right way, what's right for our planet, and then what's right for ourselves.
It's going to be we have a big vision, man. We have a big dream. And the reality of it is, if you are the only one that can dream it, if the dream is it can fit in your hands and you don't need any help with the dream, then you're not dreaming big enough.
Speaking of big dreams, this video is sponsored by One Way Society, who is a one-way stop to all of your dreams.
Yeah.
One Way Society produces musical compositions, songwriting lessons.
Anything that your media needs,
One Way Society takes care of it. If you have a vision that needs to come to life, if you want to drop a song or a single or even an album, if you need a jingle or something more, reach out to One Way Society at
feimstro@gmail.com or feimstro.com, or check us out on Facebook. Again, the motto of One Way Society is to live, lead, and love by example.
We just got married in August. As you understood in our last video, we got married on August 8th, 2021. And we have been married for about 2 months now. Majority of people who just got married do not even lean towards big projects, home builds, or even kitchen renovations, because it leads to arguments, divorce, and separation. But we've decided to build a house by faith, by works, and by just leaning on one another.
And to be completely honest, before we got married, this type of thing scared me, because it's never been done. You get what I'm saying? And a lot of times that's how people function. You know, we have these ideas, we have this vision. Oh, building a shipping container home. There's not a shipping container home. There's not a shipping container home in Flint, Michigan. Why would you do that?
Right.
Nobody else is doing that. Why would you do that? Those type of thoughts would, you know, come across my mind in the process of planning a wedding. And, you know, again, you know, when the parents reached out and sowed that seed of faith into purchasing that property for us, it was like, man, that was all the motivation we kind of needed, alongside with other people who was encouraging us through the process, other family members, you know, through the process. But that action was like, yo, it's people around us that really believe in us to make this thing happen. And so we have to do it, you know, no matter how hard it's going to get, no matter how challenging it's going to get. It's already been hard.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But we have to continue.
That was really deep.
Thank you. You know, I felt really...
You're really good at, like, speaking. Like,
yeah, you know, I try to.
I mean, I know I'm married to you and I talk to you every day, but...
Yeah. Might have to cut this short, y'all.
Anyway, I'm mad at him because last video he, like, friend-zoned me on the camera, and he didn't want to give me any affection. So, women don't forget. Women remember. No, that's too much. Yeah.
My name is Anthony.
And I'm Leah.
And we're the
Feimsters.
And we own land.
Duh.
Because
we own land.
All right, let's try that again. My name is Anthony.
And I'm Leah.
We have family.
And we have friends.
And we have land. Y'all take it easy, man.
You pathetic, short little man. You don't have any friends or any family or any land. Yeah!